So I keep on leaking air on this front passenger tire. As you can see, it's all the way down to the ground. I think I caught a nail or a screw somewhere down the road. But I keep on filling the tire with air and still leaking. So I guess it's time to fix the flat. So hi guys, how's it going? In today's video, I'm gonna fix the flat tire on this BMW. So before we do that, could you just please give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe if you like car DIYs, product reviews, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you always be notified as soon as I release the new videos. So guys, let's get started. So to fix my flat tire, I usually use these tools before. So after you pull out the nail or the screw on your tire, I usually clean it with this round file. So this will clear out the holes on the tire, and after that I'm gonna use this tool to push in this tire plug. So once I push this tire plug inside, then I can just cut the excess and that's it. So I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna use this one instead that I got from Amazon. So this is a screw-in type tire plug. So it comes with two different sizes. You have a small one here, and you have a bigger one here. So it just depends how big the hole is. So as you can see on this is a screw-in type tire plug. So once you screw this in, the seal around this thread is gonna seal up the hole. So the thread will keep the plug in the tire so it doesn't become loose. But this is the fastest way to fix a flat tire. So around the screw, it's a piece of rubber with some sealant on it to make sure it's not gonna leak any air. And the kit comes also with a small screwdriver, so which is pretty nice. So the total for this kit, if you want to buy it on Amazon, I'm gonna put down the link in the description down below. This is about $8, so it's very cheap. So for $8 you get 10 pieces of the small plugs. You get 10 pieces of the small plugs and 10 pieces of the bigger plugs, and that's it. So this is where the leak is coming from. I have a crack on the mags. So I'm gonna spray some soapy water. See? That's where the air is leaking. So I know a guy who can fix this, so for now we're gonna leave it like this until I get it fixed. Yeah. I don't know how I got the crack. Probably when I hit a pothole I didn't notice, but I didn't see any dent on the mags. It just, it just happened that I started leaking air, and now I can see why. So it's not a flat tire. Yeah, definitely a crack on the mag. I guess I have no choice but to get it fixed, or I'll have to buy a new mag. So we're here right now to bring the wheel fixed because of the crack. So this is the exact rule. They refinish wheels, they refurbish wheels, they fix cracks. So I'm gonna bring my wheel here now to get it fixed so I can use it again. So I just brought the wheels inside to get it fixed. So they say it's gonna take about 3 days to fix the crack. So they're also gonna install and balance the tires after the repair. It's not too bad. It's almost $140 Canadian. So it's not too bad. We'll see after 3 days. They said they're gonna call me, and I'm gonna pick it up, and we're gonna check how good they did the job on fixing this crack. So they say they found two cracks on the wheel, so they fixed this side here and the crack over here all the way inside, and there's another one here. See, they fixed the crack over here. It's not too bad because they're on the inside. They don't look as bad because they're inside the wheel. So now it's ready to be installed again on the car. So this is the wheel that they fixed. They fixed the crack here, and they say they found another crack here somewhere. Yeah, they fixed the crack here. There's a crack here, and then there's another crack here on this area here. So I'm gonna check it out with water if it's still leaking. They say they checked it, but it looks like it's good. I don't see any bubbles. Yeah, I don't see any bubbles here. No, that's good. You just check the rest. Maybe you have another leak somewhere. But so far, since they gave it to me, it's still not leaking. The tire's still not leaking. Okay, that's good. So they fixed the crack. Now I'm gonna install it back on the car so we can use it again. So it's been 2 weeks now and still not leaking on my wheel. So I guess the problem is fixed. There's no more leak on that wheel. So it's not a flat tire after all. But I didn't get a chance to use the plugs from Amazon. So now I found this one of my tire on my old Nissan Versa Note, and I remember that it has a leak. So because it has a nail on it or a screw or whatever. So we're gonna try to fix that leak on that tire with the plug from Amazon, the screw-in type plug for the tire repair from Amazon. So this is the tire I'm talking about. As you can see, there's a screw in there. So this is the old wheel for my Nissan Versa Note, and this tire keeps on leaking air. So now's the chance to use that plug from Amazon. We're gonna repair this hole. So before that I have to take out this screw, then we can use that plug from Amazon, the screw-in type plug, tire repair. So before I take out the plug, I want to check first if it's leaking air. Yeah, see, it does leak air. So now I'm gonna pull it out and I'm gonna use the plug from Amazon. Okay. It's just a small screw. Just wanna clean it so I can see the hole. So the hole is over there. It's a small hole. So now I'm gonna use this plug from Amazon. You know what? You can also use the small screwdriver to do this job. But I need more leverage since I'm in my garage. I'm gonna use the bigger screwdriver. But for emergency, you can still use the small screwdriver that came with the kit. So I'm gonna use my regular screwdriver, and I use a small plug, the smallest one in the kit, to plug up this hole. You just have to put some leverage while you're screwing it in. There you go. So now it's screwed in there. It's inside the thread. Well, it's lower than the thread, so you're not gonna wear it out while you're using the maybe you can put it a bit deeper. That's it. Now I'm gonna test it with the soapy water if you still have some leak there. No more bubbles. Look at that. See? No more bubbles. So it does fix the hole. Excellent. So I think that's the fastest tire repair you can do on your tire if you have a flat tire. Just screw in the plug and that's it. So it does really work. So guys, that's it for the video. Please like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.
Like a drug that I just can't deny.